From cocoa to chocolate, growing and harvesting. Chocolate begins with cocoa beans that grow in pods on trees, found in the tropical heat of the equatorial forest. It takes around 5 to 6 months until a cocoa pod is fully grown and ready to be harvested. Fermenting and drying. Once extracted from the cocoa pods, the beans are covered for 5 to 7 days to ferment. After fermentation, the cocoa beans are left to dry in the sun for about 6 days. Collection and shipping. At collection centers, the dried beans are then weighed and checked for quality before being packed in jute bags and transported to the Barry Callebaut Group's cocoa factories for processing. From bean to cocoa liquor. In the cocoa factory, the beans are sorted, cleaned, dried, and broken into nibs. The nibs are then roasted and ground into a very fine liquid mass, the cocoa liquor. Cocoa liquor can be further processed into cocoa butter and cocoa powder. Making chocolate. Depending on the chocolate recipe, cocoa liquor, cocoa butter, sugar, or milk powder are mixed. This mass is continuously kneaded in a process called conching, which gives the chocolate its smooth texture. Other ingredients may be added before the chocolate is delivered, either in liquid form, blocks, or in the form of drops, to the customers of the Barry Callebaut Group all over the world.